Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another new video. I hope you all are well and I hope you all are in profit with the help of our free signals and VIP signals. For those who are new here and don't know how you can participate in our VIP signals, you can text me on Telegram at @bBinarySupport. The link is also in the description, so go and check it out. So let's start our video. I have $500, 0 cents in my account, and I will introduce a new indicator called OsMA. Let's start our video. First, we will go to the indicator, then select OsMA. The settings are default 12, 26, and 9. Okay, let's find our first trade. So how does this indicator work? When the level intersects the 0 level and when the candle starts below the 0 level, we can proceed with the downside move. And when the candle is above the 0 level, we can proceed with the upside move. So let's start our video. Let's find our first trade. Okay, there is a trade on Bitcoin OTC for the downside move. So let's wait for the candle to give us a good entry. Okay, I got the entry and I proceeded for the downside move on Bitcoin OTC for $500, 0 cents. You will see that the level is forming below the 0 level, and that's why I took this trade for the downside move. This means the candle was trying to change its trend. The trade was also going in our favor, but we still have 20 seconds left. Only a few seconds left, and I won my first trade. Now my balance has turned into $960, 0 cents. Let's find a trade for $960, 0 cents. On Polkadot.OTC, we have a trade for the upside move. If this current candle closes as a green candle, then we can proceed with the upside move. Okay, the candle closes as a green candle, so I proceeded for the upside move on Polkadot.OTC for $960, 0 cents. You will see that the level is also forming above the 0 level, so that's why I took this trade for the upside move. The trade was also going in our favor. Only a few seconds left and I won another trade. Now my balance has turned into $1,440. Let's find a trade for $1,440. On Microsoft OTC, we have a trade for the upside move. So let's wait for the candle to close. Okay, the candle closed as a green candle, so I proceeded for the upside move on Microsoft OTC for $1,440. You will see that the previous candle formed a huge green candle. Even though I took the trade for the upside move according to the indicator and the trade was also going in our favor, still we had 35 seconds left. only a few seconds left, and I won my another trade. Now my balance has turned into $2,764. Let's find a trade for $2,764. On silver OTC, we have a trade. If this current candle closes as a red candle, then we can proceed. Okay, the candle closes a red candle, so I proceeded for the downside move on silver OTC for $2,764. The trade was not going in our favor, but we still have 38 seconds left. Okay, now the candle reversed. Now the trade is going in our favor, but we still have 28 seconds left. You will see that a strong red candle was forming, and the previous candle also closed below the zero level. So that's why I took this trade. Only a few seconds left, and I won my another trade. Now my balance has turned into $5,197. Let's find a trade for $5,197. There was a trade on Netflix OTC. If this candle closes as a green candle, then we can proceed for the upside move. Okay, the candle reversed, so I avoided that trade. On Facebook OTC, we have a trade for the upside move. I got the entry and proceeded for the upside move on Facebook OTC for $5,197.00. You will see the candle close above the zero level, so that's why I took this trade for the upside move, indicating an uptrend. The trade was going in our favor. Still, we had 35 seconds left. Only a few seconds left, and I won my another trade. Now my balance has turned into $8,523. So it's a great amount that I made with the help of this new indicator, OsMA. I hope you guys understand how this indicator works. If you want more videos on this indicator, then comment down below. We'll see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.